it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. It's crazy. You could save me from my isolation. I'm not too complicated. Stop this conversation.
Hey guys, what's up, man? We're back today. Let's go. Today I learned to set up the stream a little bit better, so it's really good. We are hopefully we get some bang trades. Super excited for this. Super excited. We're also starting a new account with a bespoke funding. They're really good. I'll do more about them in the future, but I can show you my account right now. Just one sec, guys. So one sec. It's just starting. A30 isn't open yet, so we'll see. We will see now. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Let me know. Whew, we're starting a new account today. We're gonna be trading live everything. I'm gonna be trading everything live, and hopefully we get some good wins. What's that? So web page. Okay, I'm gonna keep that in mind if I need it. I'm just setting some daily bias. I will. What? Do you need help with daily bias? Just let me know and we can go over my daily bias and what my bias is for today. Yeah, we can go over daily bias if you want. Just type in and we'll go over it. So yeah, I'm watching. Brandon is asking, hi Zucker, what strategy do you focus on? I mainly focus on the silver bullet, which I'm really trying to get good at, and it's going pretty well past few days. Previous week, I believe we had 100% win rate if I was only trading silver bullet, so I'm gonna be focusing on that. And then the 2022 mentorship model. But now I see we have some displacement above this high. We also took sell side liquidity here, so this could be a buy if we show a displacement above this high. The 1 minute, no, I don't like the 1 minute on ES. It's just choppy market. I would like to trade Nasdaq on the 1 minute, but so Yogast 112 is asking, hey Zeker, what's your thoughts on trading the 1 minute? Was listening to a podcast and these three guys talking about down on it. What's your opinion? I like the 1 minute if for entries, but if you are only trading one time frame, you're not gonna find that it's the best, because you're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, it's precise if you have the higher time frame context. If you have the higher time frame context and you're going with your daily bias, I would suggest the 1 minute for silver bullet entries is really good, like really good. But if you are just trading on a 1 minute without any context, daily bias, narrative, I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend 1 minute for refining your entries and fair value gaps, PDRAs, whatever you enter from. Vincent is saying, hey guys, hope everyone doing well. Good to you, Vincent, as well. Good to you. I hope you're doing well as well. I want you to mentorship in 2022. Oh, so I'm not sure what you mean, but I think you mean that you want me to explain the 2022 mentorship, right? Yeah, that's probably it. It's okay. So yeah, we're gonna go the 2022 mentorship model today, or I'm gonna do a separate video on it, like deep dive into it, because it's really not just liquidity sweep, but it's more to it. Can we please go for today's daily bias? Of course, Vincent, I said I'm gonna do that. We're gonna go through today's daily bias and I'm gonna explain my thoughts on it. And also, I think I posted the daily bias yesterday, but I think I posted the daily bias yesterday on the weekend. I posted my daily bias for today, but we can go over and I can explain. By the way, I have a video on my daily bias, and if you want to go check that out, it's really good. It's 5 minutes long and it's good. Brandon, isn't silver bullet at 10 New York time? Yes, it's at 10 a.m., 10 to 11 a.m. New York local time, or EST. Yeah, that's basically the silver bullet. And yeah, you can enter just before it or just after it. It's not like specific to this times. You can enter a few minutes before, a few minutes after, but I would not recommend it at all. I would just say stick to your strategy, but personally, I would enter if I see a nice setup just before it. No problem, no problem. That's why you have the comment section. Fendix, Zeker, did you trade a London session? No, I didn't. I went outside and I went to do some sports. So I wasn't at the charts in London, because London at my time zone, it's like London is like 9 a.m. No, it's 8 a.m. London's kill zone from 2 to 5. New York local time is from 8 to 11 my time right now. So I just wake up, I go out, I eat my breakfast, so I don't really hop on charts right away, but I focus on like being not at charts all the time, because that's really not good for your eyes, neither for your mentality, right? So I trade the AM session. If I see a good setup, I trade a PM session and I stream AM session on New York local time, 8:30 to 11 every single day. or 9:30 if they're news, but depends on what I feel. If I have something to do, edit videos, I don't know. By the way, if you guys want more, giveaways, they're held in my Discord. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel to support me. Let me know. Follow me on Twitter, because if we get 1,000 followers on Twitter, we can do a lot. We can do a lot with 1,000 followers on Twitter. So, well, Wiseman, Zeker, will you trade every day so we can take trades with you? Yeah, I mean, I will trade every day, but I don't recommend you to take trade with me now, because I don't want to be responsible for your losses, and I don't want you to think that you can follow someone to win, right? I don't want you to have that perspective that if you follow someone, you will win. Yeah, I mean, you can win, because I'm gonna really go hard on this new account and I'm gonna pass it. I'm confident, but I don't want you to be responsible for my losses, right? And I also don't want you to think that it's easy and you can make money consistently following someone. You just have to put a work in it and you have to follow. Now, you can watch my trades, but I am not telling anyone to follow them. You follow them at your own risks. I am not responsible for your losses, neither for your wins. I hope that's clear, guys. I hope that's clear. I am not responsible for anything that you take and you execute and you press the button behind your screen, okay? I just wanted to have that clear. And now we can continue. But yeah, I will be streaming every day, so so yeah, you can learn from it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to set up this dashboard. Yeah, I'm gonna show my live account. Are you streaming every day? Oh, well, yes, I'm streaming every single day. I may not have time for the AM session, but I will try to stream every single day, either the PM or the AM session. One of them I will stream, and we'll get super good setups if they form. I hope so. Yeah, so it's cool, Wiseman. I'm not like angry about anything, but I just really want that people don't blame other people if they take risks by themselves, right? But yeah, it's totally fine if you ask questions. That's why the comment section is. Okay, so I'll just try to show you my dashboard. It didn't work last time, but I did some research. I'm gonna try to do thingy. Do this. Let's see how yeah, I mean, nothing really. We can go to NASDAQ, but it's really just okay. So we're gonna go over our daily bias for today, and we will see. I will explain to you everything. I'm going to just delete this because it's nothing really. Let's see, 5 minutes. How about Bill as? What do you mean? I really don't understand it. I'm sorry. But yeah, daily bias. I'm gonna write the title. Daily bias for SPX 500. 17.7 to 17, 18, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd. No, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 to 21, 7. Yeah, if you guys, what do you mean? Owl. And we're gonna go through, okay. So, yeah, just explain a while because I don't understand completely. but yeah, totally. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this layer, pro capture, let me know if you guys have any more questions before we dive into the daily bias for today. We're gonna start right now, but I want everything to be clear before we start. Okay, so we're gonna add color source. There's gonna be a little oh no, wait, I'm gonna hide this. Okay, yeah, sorry, I'm really sorry, guys. How build film as no, sorry for that, just for funny. I don't know what are you talking about, Owl. I really don't know what you're talking about. That's why I asked. I don't know what you're talking about. Where should it be? Like here? If I do this... Which... Daily in 4x? So you want daily bias in 4x? I can do that. Vincent, which other pairs will it be focusing on? Just NASDAQ and S&P. Nothing too crazy. Just want to focus on that. You know? Just want to focus on that because you shouldn't be focused on too many pairs at once. That's a no. That's a big no. You shouldn't be focusing on too many pairs. So just S&P, NASDAQ. That's what I'm focusing on mainly. But yeah. Okay, we're gonna start the daily bias right now. If you got wait one second. EU or GU. Awesome stuff, thank you. I would like yeah, maybe yeah, we can go over EU. We can go over EU 100%. We can go over EU because I trade it sometimes, but not that often. Yeah, we can go. So daily bias for SPX. If you guys have any more recommendations before we start, let me know. Any more recommendations, I'll be happy to answer them all. So it's like right here. No questions? Okay. We're gonna start right now. Let me just fix some stuff in the OBS studio and I'll be right with you. right with you. Just one sec. So I can put it right here. Wait, would it work? I'm not sure though. We're gonna find out. Enable this. What is it? What is cover this? Yeah, it would. So if I enable this, you know. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so this is the dashboard right now. As you can see, we got 0 drawdown. We got 8 cap. We got all the things here, right? We basically have the dashboard. As you can see, I didn't take any more trades. We got buy limit, sell limit. The profit target is basically 10. No, profit is 8%, and then max drawdown is 10%. So I hope you guys saw this, and now we're gonna go to back to the trading view, and we are going to Wiseman, what are the benefits of joining your Discord, bro? No, it's free. You got awesome community. We got an indicator. We got I post my setups in there if I'm not taking them on stream. I post my daily bias every week. Okay, so guys, this is the tutorial for daily bias. Wait, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm very much excited. So guys, this is the tutorial for daily bias. For those who don't understand what daily bias is, it's basically a direction you should be anticipating. But like the direction you should be anticipating that you think price is gonna draw to. So daily bias is basically a expansion higher or expansion lower, and this is your expectation of this expansion. So you're expecting price to move higher or lower. You're not trying to predict the lows or highs, right? You're not trying to say, oh, price is gonna go up to this level. No, you're just trying to expect if price is gonna go higher or lower, because then you're gonna be anticipating this direction on the lower time frame, right? So we're gonna go over daily bias on SPX, and I hope you guys enjoy it, because I believe it's gonna help a lot of you guys right now. So we're gonna start on the weekly. So what do we see? So this is the today's week. Okay, don't count this candle. This is the today, like one day from Monday or less. So we're just looking at this price section. What do we see right here? Well, we took sell side, we moved up, and now we're going for the buy side. Now, where is the most recent buy side liquidity? If you guys see, it's right here. Why is this buy side liquidity? Well, because we have a high and price came from lows, so it swept the sell side liquidity, and then it came to high. So it should go to a buy side liquidity to reprice. So buy side liquidity or SIBI, sell side inefficiency, or so sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency, right? SIBI. So you're looking for price to draw to SIBI or to an old high or low, or all the equal highs or equal lows. And what we're looking for is, so if we zoom in, we had the previous week we had a bullish expansion, right? Like the past few months we were super bullish. From March 13th we were just expanding higher straight up, right? So we see we are expanding higher and we are bullish. Last week we had a big juicy candle, which means we are gonna expect and anticipate price going higher, potentially to this drawn liquidity, but we're not trying to predict that this will be the high. We're just anticipating price going higher, right? I'm not saying we will go to this high and then retrace. I'm not saying we will go to this high in the first place. I'm just saying that our direction is to the upside because we had a bullish expansion last week, we had a bullish expansion last month, we had a bullish expansion last 2 months. We are bullish still, our bias doesn't change. So now that our weekly narrative is actually bullish and to the upside, we can go to a daily time frame and actually found our bias. So what are we actually looking at? So this is that weekly high that we talked about. This is our current joint liquidity because price already took the sell side and there's no need for price to go lower because sell stops, people that were long here and had a profitable positions, they were already got stopped out, and then price continue higher without those people, and people going here, people going short on this breakout also got stopped out because their stops were stopped out. So people are being tripped, and now we're expanding. We're seeing expansion higher. Now we went up quite a bit. We went up quite a bit, but I'm still expecting price to see this as a joint liquidity, right? I'm not saying it will go there one more time, but I'm just saying this could be our joint liquidity. So with that weekly bullish narrative in mind, we have to go to a lower time frame and look, where's the last order block, where's the last fair value gap, and the other PDRAs, right? So if we take a Fibonacci retracement, we know that price is going up. Whoops, what is this? That's kind of ugly. So we know price is going up, retraces. Price going up, retraces. Price always retraces, even it could be below, or it could be just showing a small retracement before the moving high, right? And price always do that. See, impulse move, retracement, up, retracement. But now, right, we are not anticipating a retracement because this is not in the alignment with our daily bias. Our bias is bullish, so we are continuing higher, but we could see a retracement. That's what I'm telling you. You are not gonna have a trade every single day. Daily bias is not everyday bias, so we could have a losing days on those retracement, maybe, but maybe not. So I'm actually not going. We are not focusing on the small moves. We are focusing on the bigger moves, on the directional moves that in our bias direction. So we are looking for the last fair value gaps and order blocks. So what do we see? We got down close candle, broken up, down. So we're gonna start right here. This is a perfect example. Down close candle, pierced into, broken. This is a bullish order block, level of support. Down close candles, pierced into, expansion, bullish order block. We see the down close candles are being respected and not violated before pushing up. Right here, we had a down close candle, respected, pushing up, down close candles, respected, right here, pushing up, and we see our order flow is actually bullish. So we need to wait. So we need to set our invalidation level. So we know our bias is bullish. Down close candle is being respected. They're turned into order blocks. We got fair value gaps forming, and basically we have to find where will our bias be invalid. So if we take up this, like we got an order block here, which we could mark as the invalidation level if price goes below this, closes below this order block. Now we need to wait for a closure on the daily chart, otherwise our bias is still bullish in this example, right? So we see we got a small fair value gap here. You see, first candle, price ran up. One sec, guys, I'll be right back. I just have to do something. Okay, I'm back. I hope you guys didn't wait too much. I had to urgently do something. So, as I was talking about, this is bullish order block. Now below this, I'm gonna mark this with red line. This could be your level of invalidation, right? If price closes below this level, your bias is now bearish. But as I was talking about, we got this small little fair value gap here. We see first candle, second candle runs and creates the gap here. It like impulsively goes above this candle, it closes above this candle, and then the third candle doesn't overlap with this first candle of this pattern, right? This is a 3 candle pattern. In this example, this is a bullish fair value gap, or BISI, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Now we see we created a fair value gap, and I'm gonna just lower the opacity of this so it's less disturbing. Okay, so we got this fair value gap here. Now where would I put my area of invalidation? Well, right below this fair value gap. It's so easy, guys. I don't know why you struggle with a daily bias. I see daily bias because it's so easy. Like, I know I might get it wrong, but this is the bias. This is how we find bias. Like, if we use this concept, all of this range, we would be bullish. All of this range, we would catch longs, really nice longs, because I back tested it, guys. I didn't back test it. I went through a little trades. I did some studying on past examples, and if you're in line with daily bias, you are gonna see much more winners, guys. Trust me. Just put in the work, learn the bias. It's not as hard as you think. And if you really study this and give it a little bit of time, just 1 hour, 2 hours per day that you may sit behind your computer watching YouTube, playing games, if you switch this because you really want to become a good trader, like I want to become too, and I'm putting actually the work in this. I'm still not perfect, but my daily bias are bullish. Our area of validation is price closing below this low of this fair value gap, from this candle's high, this candle passing up, to this candle's low. This is a fair value gap, and my price can reach into this, right? Price can reach into this, but if it doesn't close above it, if it closes here, then my bias is still bullish. It has to close below this. Like, even if it closes a little bit below, like right here, if it closes right here, that wouldn't matter. If it doesn't continue to the downside, my bias would still be bullish, because we are expecting draw liquidity to this high and this high and this high, right? We're expecting buy side to be taken because we already took sell side right here in this big chunk of price action, right? So I hope this clears your example. So daily bias for today is bullish. We are looking for buys, and we are only looking for buys, right? We're not gonna trade against our bias. And maybe I'll see a sell setup. If it's really good, I may take it, but I recommend, because you can get wrecked trading against your bias, especially if you're trading without the bias. You're probably not gonna see as good results, because listen, bias is like it's a bit, yeah, it's so subjective. Like, every single person could have, like, if you ask one person, they are bullish. If you ask another, they are bearish, because everyday bias is actually 50-50, right? The bias is never subjective. The bias is never just one bias for this day. It's not just bullish, because it's 50-50. But if you incorporate that, you're more confident. You only trade subjective. You see more winners. You become a better traders with having a expectation, right? Now, I hope you guys don't, like, if you get bias wrong, yeah, you can get bias wrong, because you're not gonna be able to get everyday bias right. But if you stick to one process, if you really learn and implement the ICT stuff you learned over the past time you study, you're gonna see much better results, right? Because even if ICT has his bias, having opposite bias is not wrong. Go watch ICT Forex videos, and you're gonna hear that. I don't know where exactly, but when I studied it, I remembered this, right? So we can go to a lower time frame, such as 1 hour. Now, if you type in chat if this was helpful, and let me know if you want me to do more this stuff on the stream. Maybe we can go over daily bias every day on stream. Let me know, because I really want to hear your opinion, right? So this is our level of invalidation. If we close below this on the daily chart, we are bullish. So today we are bullish. We are only looking for bullish prices, and we have sell side taken here. If you see a displacement above this high, I may enter long, because it's aligned with our bias. We took in the sell side. We would have displacement, fair value gap, or order block, or breaker block, but we're not gonna talk about it here because I have a video and we're gonna talk about it in coming streams. So why am I trading on a 5-minute, right? Again, guys, if you really, I'm not 12, I'm 16, but I don't have its deep voice as you may think. I'm not 12, I'm 16. Man, I'm not that young. So yeah, but you can find it in my YouTube description or Twitter, whatever. But I'm just going into high school this year. I'm super excited. I don't like elementary school. I didn't like it. It was like so boring, but I'm super excited for a high school, man. I'm super excited. And I'm probably gonna do some summer jobs as well. Could be a nice way of additional income. Hans laughing. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I don't have like super deep voice, but maybe in the future I'm gonna watch these videos back, see what my voice was, but yeah, it could be funny. So we have this big candle, and now we want to see displacement above this high. Notice the displacement. We also got equal highs, which could be a strong indication of additional support level, right? I'm not looking this as a liquidity sweep because we're bullish, but as a support level if we break it. Like not support and resistance. I'm not looking at that, but those highs act as support when broken. So basically ICT stuff, not support, because I'm not drawing a box. I'm not saying this is support. I'm not buying here because of the level. I'm buying here because sell stop was taken. We get displacement if we show displacement, and then we have an implied fair value gap also here, and then we have additional confirmation of those equal highs. So yeah, if you have any more questions, feel free to just write it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, and so we can continue the stream. By the way, Owl, if you're still here, I hope the daily buys were helpful. We can, if you want, just type again. If you want, guys, just let me know. I can go over daily buys on Forex as well. It's no problem. It's really easy for me, and you guys can learn from this too. So let me know in the comments, yes or no for Forex, and we'll see. Fendings, do you know the difference between SPX and EU? Yeah, Fendings, there's a difference, of course, because there's different markets. EU, they're currency markets, and SPX, it's like USD US index, right? This is basically index markets or indices, or basically CFDs if you're trading on broker, or like S&P 500 index. This is basically what you're trading, right? But with EU, you're basically trading a dollar against USD, right? So they're basically different markets, but they generally move the same algorithms, move price the same, concepts work the same. So yeah. Vincent, yeah, it's very good. I'm also ICT student. Let's go, congrats, man. Still new to this, will help a lot if we go for daily buys every day before we look at the charts. Yeah, Vincent, if you want to be alerted by my streams, you can join the Discord if you want. I'm not saying that, but to just join it, but it could help you be announced where we see, and then yeah, you can also turn on notifications if you want to see my stream every day. Because yeah, I will go through daily buys every single day. I will go through the daily buys because I know you guys struggle. Like I can pull up the poll I posted on YouTube, and you guys voted that half of you, like the majority of you, don't understand liquidity in the market. Majority of you don't understand liquidity, and the other majority don't understand the daily bias. So I made a video on daily bias. It's really good. Basically the process that I showed you today, I'm underlying in this video, but I basically said everything right here, so you don't need to go check that out if you don't want to. But yeah, so I see you guys don't understand liquidity, you guys don't understand daily bias. We're gonna go through all of that. We already went through daily bias, so maybe liquidity coming next, and also like some PDRA specifically. Hans, I want to trade Dow 30. Yeah, I mean, as I said, this is basically the same as, basically similar to SPX, same market, but yeah, only pick 1 or 2 pairs, focus on that, find what works for you. Like Dow 30, this is like, I liked it, but I prefer SPX over Dow. Okay, like it's choice, right? I'm saying every pair is good. I don't like Forex that much because like you can get stopped out pretty easily. Indices are way more precise, so thumbs up. But okay, so we have a nice displacement. I will enter off this fair value gap right here. I will enter long. So let me open my MT5 Forex factory. We're gonna go to, so yeah, I got 25 bespoke funding. Yeah, I need to calculate it a little bit differently now, not the 10k account. So risk is gonna be, how much do we do, guys? How much do we do risk? I'd say 0.5%. What would you recommend me, Forex or SPX? Pick yourself, bro. I'm not gonna recommend you anything. Just all markets works the same, bro. Everything, just they're different time zones. So what is the difference between rate and size, sell side, buy side? Buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity is where the stops are, right? Because breakout traders going long when you go short. This is the liquidity, you have the liquidity to go down. But rate is basically just price going above or below old highs or old lows, right? There's nothing really complicated to it. So I broke the structure, we see market structure shift. I'm gonna risk 1% right here. No, I'm gonna risk 0.5%, so 0. It's tough, bro. I really like this trade. Like I said I'm gonna risk 25,000, and I believe contracts per lot is 10. I'm not sure what they have, but I believe it's 10. So 0.5% risk, 5.5, 0.5% risk. Should we do 0.5%? Hate high school. I don't know. I'm so excited, by the way. Let's see what the lots are. So yeah, it's 10. So same as everywhere. So I'm thinking about doing 0.5% risk. We're gonna take this slowly. I'm not gonna blow this account. We're gonna take this slow and steady. So 2.27. We're gonna do let's say 7, and then yeah, we're gonna do pending order. So 2.27 lots at right here at 45042, 450.2, and we're gonna place buy limit right here. So our buy limit is placed, 0.5% risk. Look, guys, what I did is let's take the equilibrium where we got. Yeah, it's still in here. So what I did, guys, is basically, as you can see, I put my TradingView account balance to my equity, and my balance same as the funded account. So you can, guys, see on the TradingView where I'm at. So I'm gonna long here. I put 5.5, 5550, and then 1100. So 1 to 2, 5 handle stop loss just below this low. So this is gonna be limit order. Create a limit order. So risk is gonna be 0.5%. 0.5%. And we're gonna do a buy limit. And this should be, yeah, it's same as in trading view on my MT. So yeah, this is our trade. We're gonna look how this goes, and we'll see. You gotta mark the shift. Basically, why I'm trading on a 5-minute is because I don't like how the 1 minute is printing. It's like so choppy, so much chop, right? So I don't like this. Yes, please do this type of streams. Of course, Wiseman, every single day. I hate high school. Yeah, I'm excited, as I said. John Spivak. John, EU Breaker FVG entry. Yeah, we can check that out. I already got my limit placed. Breaker FVG. Ooh, that's a nice one, man. That's a nice entry. Decent trade, dude. We got breaker here. No. Wait. Yeah, we got breaker. I believe that's a, yeah, that's a breaker right here. And then we have the FVG inside. Could be a decent long, but I'm not gonna take this trade. If I would play stop loss like below this low. I don't know. I would not take this trade, by the way, because I only trade SPX. It's good that you cover the equal lows at 4489. What do you mean? Yeah, I want to cover this as well, but as I said, my bias is bullish, so, but I don't really care if it starts me out. The risk is 0.5%, and so which would be basically, which would be a risk is 100, and no, it should be, yeah, so 0.5% risk is exactly $125. I can put it in dollars so you can guys see it better. So settings, gonna go to trading, brackets, money. Yeah, so it's around this. I think I can, yeah, it's 125. So the trading view doesn't allow me to put point up behind the full number. Like, you can't put 22.7. You can only put 22 even. So I this is my risk, 0.5%. We'll see. I'm not gonna force the trades. I'm not gonna risk 1%. I really want to trade with you guys. I want to pass it, but this setup is just damn good, man. It's good. I like it. I wouldn't take it if I didn't like it. I wouldn't take it, guys. So this could be our buy side. It's a little bit above buy side, but as I said, we're bullish. We could see a, yeah, maybe we see a Judas swing. I don't know. But if we got stopped out, we got stopped out. That's why I told you to never follow my trades. Okay, so we're in. No, we're not in yet. We have to wait. 1 sec. We have to wait for a fill. But do you guys want to see the MetaTrader? No, I'm not gonna show you the MetaTrader because it's live money. I don't wanna show live money trading. Like, I'm taking this on a live account, but I'm not gonna show you actually the real money. Even though the trading view is demo, the funded challenge is demo, but I don't want to show you the real money, just for the safety purposes. I'm gonna trade on stream only on this demo. Oh man, the Nasdaq got a really nice delivery. Yeah, as I said, I would enter inside this fair value gap for EU because the bias for me on EU is actually bullish. Why am I bullish? I'm expecting price to fill this imbalance, right? I'm expecting price to fill this imbalance to this volume imbalance. I'm expecting price to go to the top because it's a volume imbalance, and we're also expanding higher, right? Last week was just a juicy candle, so I'm expecting bullish. We're bullish. We get a unicorn setup by ICT. So if I would enter here, stop loss, I don't know, I would target this higher 1 to 2, but I'm not a fan of forex. I like the CFD or indices market more. We'll see. One sec, guys, I'll be right back. I'm coming. What's up, guys? I'm back. Hello, I hope you guys didn't wait too much. I had to do something. Yeah, I mean, we didn't get filled. I'm looking at my NT4. We didn't get filled. So we got some questions. Vincent, spreads are crazy on Forex. Yes, I mean, I'm not really on the. If you see on prop firms such as now I trade on, the spread for Forex is actually so low. Like spread for EU for Euro USD is like 0.1 pip, right? So 10% of a pip, so 0.1 pip, right? This is so low for prop firms. Like I don't understand. Like 1 pip and then 10% of that, so 0.1 pips is a spread on EU. This is so good, but I don't trade EU. How did you connect? Joe is asking, how did you connect TradingView to your challenge? I didn't. That's the thing. You can do that, but you need to paid membership in the Social Traders tool. But I don't have that. My intent is not on doing that because I don't have a problem with inputting the numbers on NT4 and then just clicking the button on TradingView. So just waiting for us to get filled. Like I'm not gonna change my entry. If we don't get filled, we don't get filled. You know, we gotta stay patient. We gotta wait for good setups. Stay patient. We also got some minor sell side liquidity right here, but I don't think. I mean, I'm already thinking we missed the move, right? But I don't know. We'll see. We will see. We can also take partials and then target this. This would be a nice trade if we get tagged in. Come on. Tag me in. Tag me in. Please. Just go down, bro. No, you have to go up after you go down. Well, yeah. Pushing up right now. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm satisfied with my entry. I'm okay if it doesn't hit me. Tag me in. I'm totally fine. I'm not gonna force trades. Wait for a good R and a good setup. You guys shouldn't be forcing trades as well. So yeah. Just gotta wait for a setup. And we'll be good. Just gotta wait. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of chill stream. We got Silver Bullet coming in half an hour. I mean, yeah, I could enter right here, right? But this is hypothetical. I could enter right. Oh, it's closed. I can enter. Would get me in right here, but that's not even how you backtest, guys. You see the rules. If the entry comes into your favorite gap, that's the entry. If it comes close, you said, I would enter here. No, you would not enter here, man. But price is pushing up. We're probably not gonna get filled. Oh my god, what is this? 9:30 open. Yeah, Monday. So just gotta wait. But as I said, we could enter right here. This would be a banger trade, man. Banger trade, but not here. We had a new fair value gap in premium. I'd say we take entry from this one now. Could be a breakaway gap, but I honestly, I was just looking to get my entry, man. I guess it just went without me. I'm gonna cancel my order. I'm not interested in that anymore trade. So I exited. I mean, it's kind of sad we missed the trade, right? We could easily get banned banger 1% right now, but maybe I'll consider entering just before the Fear Valley gap. You know, just for safety. I enter right here, like 1 or 2 ticks above the Fear Valley gap. I enter. Maybe a new rule, because I see many entries are missed, right? So, but yeah, bias bullish, everything was aligned. Maybe if I implement this rule, enter like right away, right before the Fear Valley gap, right before entry, could be a nice rule. Right before the Fear Valley gap, enter to stop this happening right here. But we'll see. So we swept the buy side now, above here and here and here, kind of made equal highs, but we kind of swept buy side. So I'm probably thinking, yeah, Nasdaq went nuts, really high. Could be a Judas swing, not to overthink. Well, I'm not interested in this trade anymore. Well, maybe this trade right now. Yeah, we have a low here, but I would not take this Fear Valley gap. I would take this one. But we swept the buy side, so that's a no-go. Our analysis was correct. We got missed by a few points. Actually, by a very little. Like 0.3 point, man. 0.3 points. Like I'm not angry, but it's a little sad. Oops. Yeah, our entry was like this. Enter here. Risk 0.5%. Could. Yeah, so I'm gonna just add a new rule to enter right before the Fear Valley gap. One sec, guys. So he missed the trade. But you see, guys, if you trade with alignment of your daily bias, it's much easier. Like, what did I do to find this trade? What did I do? I said, we got invalidation, we will go up. I'm expecting us to go up. We swept the lows, okay. We got 830, okay. Session started. We got a Fear Valley gap, and we break a high with force, okay. I'm gonna place my limit. That's what I did. Nothing fancy. That's exactly what I did. But we missed, so happens. Let's see on EU. EU we dumped straight up, down. I mean, we have a silver bullet, so we can make up in that session, but I was expecting us to feel right here. Wait, someone's saying about gold, but I didn't hear exactly what. It was that one. Wait. Gold reacting to equal lows. Yeah, but when was this? This was like here. Right there. At equal lows. Could be. I don't trade gold, but I mean, our bias. If I had to pick the bias for gold, it would be bullish. But I'm not trading gold. I'm expecting DXY. This is my analysis. I'm expecting DXY to return to this busy, but yeah. I mean, it's kind of weird. Can you see it? We went up, and on DXY we also went up. It's kind of weird though. It's a divergence, type of divergence. I'm not a divergence expert though. I don't focus on this. I only know SMT, the cracking correlation. That's what I know. By the way, is it good till now? Like, is the stream like helpful? Because I think you can learn from this a lot. I mean, we still didn't take any trades or fund it, but it's totally fine. Wait, is this real? Am I having connection? My YouTube is not reloading. Okay, it's good now. Okay, nice. It's good, totally. Just gotta wait now. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But I really think we're gonna go lower on SPX and Nasdaq. Why do I think that? Well, on DXY, so on S&P we can check. We're basically going higher from like 850, right? From 850 from 850 we're consistently moving higher, and on DXY we are moving higher also from around here, right? Around this time. We're going higher with the DXY. That's showing me that, I mean, dollar like is super tight correlated, so it's natural we're pushing down. But I'm expecting those two buddies to go down as well. I mean, 15 minute, 1 hour, are we at any? Yeah, so Nasdaq could be a nice short for a silver bullet. Why? We have a 1 hour SIBI right here. SIBI low, SIBI high. I'm gonna actually do this with this thingy, a rectangle. So this is SIBI. We came to the top, and now we can go to our 5 minute or 1 minute to refine and see what's happening. So we went above it. Now we're seeing the delivery of DXY pushing up, even though I'm bearish, but on SPX. We kind of swept sell side, to be honest. We had buy sell liquidity above this high. I also got buy side here, but we got this. Wait, yeah, you can check the 1 hour for fair value gap because it's kind of clean as well. It's very clean delivery. 4 hour, none. Daily, none. 15 minute, like we are in the premium kinda. If we take a fib from low to high, we still will get it. We came to premium and then we reacted, but still I'm bullish. So I don't know if I would take this short, to be honest. Nasdaq, oh my god, look at that perfect close. Now this means something, right? If you see, this is a SIBI, right? It's a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Basically, bearish fair value gap because it's inefficient for the buyers. We came in, we rebalanced it because what is imbalance? The bodies perfectly respected it. Can you see this? To the tick. Right before we closed, just before the high of this, and then delivery to the downside. Now I would maybe look for lower prices, but I'm not gonna say I would look for shorts right away. We now got a lot of liquidity below as well, but again, silver bullet hour is coming in 20 minutes. Vincent, Judah swing on ESM1. So basically Vincent is saying that there's a Judah swing on 1 minute time frame on the SPX FVG entry. No, I wouldn't enter, to be honest. I would not enter yet. I'm not interested in shorts that much. Look, we can go short, of course. We can trade short. We're not like Bice's Lock. You can't trade short even once. No, you can't take short, but I don't want to see just a fair value gap. I want to see a setup form. Now I'm looking for a 2022 mentorship model setup. But it's like nicer. It's nicer on the Nasdaq. Why? If we take a look at this leg. Now we kinda see this busy buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. But the thing is, if we take a fib from low to high, you see it is touching the discount zone, which could be a draw on liquidity. But on SPX we got a choppy market, so this is kind of indicating like Nasdaq just beautiful delivery, close just before the SIBI, coming up, don't go above this, coming down. We could see a nice, but Vincent, I wouldn't take the short. I wouldn't take the short. I'm just waiting now. Just waiting. Yeah, just hold on. Not doing much with displays below. I mean, on Nasdaq, that's a good damn setup. But still, I don't know if I would be comfortable shorting that. S&P also beautiful delivery. Swap displacement. I mean, on Nasdaq this is a real good displacement. Stop loss above the high. If we take a fib from low to high, one to five, not ideal. I mean, that's a displacement. Ooh. SPX, not really too. Let's see if we got any news today. Nope, no. Yeah, there were red folder news. Empire State Manufacturing Index. First up, nothing volatility. Yeah, it was bullish for dollar, but we went up with SPX as well. That's what I said. We're gonna go. That's what I said. We're gonna see lower prices because DXY was going up, and now Nasdaq is going down. Was going up as well. Same price movement as DXY, which was telling me there was some kind of broken divergence. So I said we're gonna look for lower prices, but damn, this is a lot. This is a lot. So now our silver bullet could be looking for shorts. Maybe. So if you take a look at Tuesday, there's also some news around retail sales and core retail sales. Then we got nothing here. And then unemployment claims, this could be. We're seeing a displacement, but I still wouldn't enter. Not trusting the price action right now. Wise man. Breaker block on NAS 100. Yeah, totally, but it's too risky. It's right after. I mean, yeah, it's been an hour after the news, but as Vincent said, I will wait for the silver bullet window. Like, I'm not gonna force any trades today. None. If, as I said, if it doesn't fill us, it doesn't fill us. But I believe we wouldn't get take profit as well. Am I right? Am I right? Wait, let's see. Enter here. 11. Oh yeah, we would miss it. We would just miss it. And if we entered here, we didn't get tagged in. If we entered here, we would just miss it. I mean, I'm not expecting price to go higher anyway, so it's good that we wait for our rules, but we'll see. 10 handles. I barely hit. Barely. EU just swept a lot of sell side liquidity. Maybe long if we see an additional support level hit. Till then, yeah, we hit a daily fair value gap. Also really okay, we're seeing some displacement on EU, but came above this high displacement. Energetic move. I mean, Nasdaq doing its thing, but I really like how Nasdaq delivered today into this SIBI. Like, can you see that, guys? Can you see this precision? I called right around here, and this SIBI were gonna go down. I called it. We respected the SIBI, and I was like confident we're gonna go down, but still the news were in effect, so I just let it go. But if I saw a market structure shift, I would enter. Sometimes I enter without market structure shift as well, but not on the news day. Not even thinking about it on the news day. I mean, not too much use as well, like not too much volatility, but still 50-50 was today. I think it was 50-50 based on my analysis. The hour is starting for the silver bullet in 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 9.5. So we took a lot of buy side, we got sell side here, equal lows. I'm gonna mark this as sell side liquidity. Make it red. Silver bullet, 10 to 11. Consolidation. Accumulation. Guys, let me know what this is. Let me know what this is. If you know, type in the comments, because I really want to know what you guys think. What is this? What is this? Let me know. What is this? Write in the comments, what am I annotating right here? And let me know. What is this? Because I really want to know if you guys understand what I'm showing you guys. Anyone in the comments? Let me know if you recognize this pattern. On the Nasdaq, of course. On S&P, yeah, it's not that clear. It's not clear on S&P. On Nasdaq, it's much clearer. I mean, if anyone knows also what this is, can anyone tell me in the comments what this is? AMD? What is AMD? I'm curious. I'm curious now what AMD is. Let me know, Wiseman. Maybe I know. Let me know. AMD. Not too sure, but just let me know, because I would like to learn new things as well. Let me know. Yes, yeah, that's correct. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And we also seeing a... You're correct. You're also seeing the consolidation here. Consolidation. Now, Dog Cat, welcome back. I just entered gold at 1962, 50% off, and I hope it reached the target. That's really nice that you got a plan how you'll manage the setup, Dog Cat. Even though if it doesn't play out, if you have the plan, if you know what you're looking for, I'm proud of you, and you can be confident in yourself because you actually got a plan. Asian accumulation phase, London manipulation phase, new distribution. Yeah, it could be like that. Could be like that. That is a nice explanation. We also reacted from this SIBI right here. We got this SIBI. React with orange. Do a little more opacity. Wiseman, good job. We also got here. We got divergence. By the way, this is the indicator I use, SPX 500. This is my indicator. This is the indicator I use. It's called SPX 500, and it's much clearer right here. Can you see it? Right now, we have distribution. First, distribution right here. We have distribution. You can see how clear this is. Distribution right here. So this is original consolidation. This is accumulation of longs. This is liquidity sweep, smart money reversal, first stage distribution of shorts. This is a market maker sell model. I hope you guys can see that and saw that before me, because my intent was on SPX mostly, but SPX doing its thing. I'm focusing on Nasdaq right now because this is the thing I'm looking for right now. Silver bullet, probably looking for shorts. Just gonna remove this real quick. Okay. So it's much cleaner. So swap liquidity equal highs. One high, two highs equal highs. We got this consolidation as well. We swap liquidity, short-term low, 2022 narrative, short-term low, 14. We got short-term low right here. We got displacement. We got reaction of this SIBI. I wanna see this low broken to confirm that we're in a sell model. Sell model. USD JPY shorts. I can check that out. USD JPY. Where is it? Where is it? Are you sure it's USD JPY? Where is it? .I? No. I wonder was the SPY JPY. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, there it is. USD JPY. I wouldn't go short, to be honest. Or maybe. Have to always look what's the daily showing. That's tough. I'm not trading USD JPY, that's why. But could be I mean the entry, the best optimal entry on USD JPY was right here. We got short-term low taken. We got a fair value gap right here. We have a entry, stop loss, first target, second target, I don't know, second target and third target. So why short on USD JPY? Because on SPX we are bullish. On SPX we're bullish. On DXY we are bearish. So that's why we are bearish on USD JPY. So best case scenario would be to enter off this fair value gap on the 2-minute time frame or the 3-minute time frame. 4-minute time frame is more choppy. Okay, so Vincent is saying SMT. Do you mean for Forex or for Nasdaq? Brian, NAS is moving. Yeah, it is. It is moving up. But still, that isn't. I want to see the slow broken first. By the way, guys, shout out to Bespoke Funding. They are a really good trading prop firm that allow you to trade with huge amounts of capital at basically zero risk. You pay one-time fee for the account, and then basically like normal, then they issue and then give you the account. Like, I got my account super fast. First day I got my account, and there's no time limit. Any account you take, there's no time limit, 0 time limit. So that's why I choose to take the challenge with them, and they got a really good customer support if you guys need any help. And the targets, like target 8% and stop loss 10%, is really good. The last challenge I was doing was I had 8% drawdown, and not ideal. So Bespoke Funding now got 10%, which allows me to risk or lose way more than the previous one. And the profit target is actually 8%. So it's just normal phase 1 challenge. So it's phase 2 challenge, and I personally use them, and they are really good. Coming back into the Fair Value Gap, silver bullet hour. I'm looking still for shorts if we don't see a displacement to the upside. Then maybe, only maybe, I'll be looking for longs, but not. Like, our daily bias is bullish, but this setup, this long, this silver bullet short is just looking too good on Nasdaq. Also got SMT right here. And by the way, you can join the Bespoke Funding Program Discord as well, they're doing huge discounts every single week and month. So you can join that, and you'll be amazed how good they are. That's why I'm also doing challenge with them. So, and yes, they do pay out. You got proof of certificates paid and money paid out on the Discord as well. So Discord, yeah, EUs, AU, I don't know, not. What's 4 hour? I mean, S&P doing its thing, going straight up. I maybe now my gold trade is doing great. Dogcat, did you go long or did you go short? Dogcat, yeah, Bespoke, they're good because have balance based drawdown and not equity drawdown. Yeah, that's the main thing, right? Because if you have balance drawdown, you can still be in drawdown, right? You can, like, if you have like 1%, right? If you have 1% till fail, and most of prop firms, like I traded with Blue Guardian as well, they're good, but when you hit a drawdown of 1%, the drawdown actually updates, and then they have an equity based drawdown. So if you're in drawdown by 4%, you lose the account, right? But if you're with Bespoke, if you're on -4 drawdown, you will not lose your account until you close the position. So this is really good. Like, give you so much more edge, so much. I'm gonna do that as well. Wait, I am going to and I'm going to edit video. So and then okay, so guys, in the description, if you want, one sec guys, I'll be right back. Just gotta wait for guys, what's up? By the way, if you wanna join Bespoke, you have link in the description for the Discord and for their website. Go check them out. They're really good. Okay, so there's a lot of messages. Yes, Nas got rank count from your indicator for Silver Bullet Hour. Where I have to see that. So Bullet by Zikr. I don't see any red candle. I don't see any red candle right now. Yeah, it's fractal. The fair value gap has to form. There's the green for Silver Bullet on S&P. I wouldn't take longs right now, to be honest. I would not take longs, at least not right now. I'm looking, like if I break this short-term low, I will look for shorts. Only then. But not without confirmation. Oh, I have an idea. Wait. One sec, guys. One sec. When this is playing out, I will. We got a reaction from this busy as well. So let's see if we violate that. We got a really nice idea right now. One sec. Just gotta manage this. So if I take this, so then we got everything on here. Okay, now what we can do is here we got image, so right here, then I'm gonna close this, browse, and where should we put it? Bottom left. So this is the dashboard. Is this okay? This would be the dashboard, guys. I'm sharing the live dashboard. So is this okay? Let me know, because I'm really curious about this. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's on now, so yeah, should it be bigger? Do you wanna see a bigger one? Or still no reaction still. Nasdaq just consolidation. We could see, yeah, this is just all one big distribution if we don't go above this city, or it could be a low risk sell as well. Whatever, we kind of hear this. Yeah, could be. Not sure. We are bullish. We could enter it this fair value gap. Our stop loss would be here. Take profit high 1 point. Nah, I'm not gonna. It's a risky setup. So no go. Let's say no go. We got a low formed. Intermediate term low. Okay, perfect. So where's the middle of this? It's 6:25, 20. Yeah, I am. This is my dashboard. I am. I'll be showing you dashboard if every stream now. You can see. I think it's on there. Is it? It's a bespoke founded program 25k classic challenge MT5. Yeah, you can see it. Dogcat, that's true. Maybe I'll be adding some more like more gadgets on my and I'm gonna green candle on EU. Joe. 1 minute. What do you mean green candle? By my indicator? Oh yeah, it's here. Yeah, it could be up. If you would buy here, 10 pips. Maybe we're because we're bullish. But I'm not gonna. I don't trade EU. I trade the Nasdaq and S&P only. We're still inside this big distribution leg, so I guess no trade today. Maybe. I guess maybe. Yeah, I see. I saw it. 1 minute by your indicator. I see, Joe. As I said, on Nasdaq, we could potentially enter for 1 to 1.5. I mean, if I would enter, I would enter like this. Okay, but if I would enter, I would enter like this. As I said before, even before we move up. But no go for me. Yeah, I can make it. Yeah, thank you, Vincent. Although I can make it a little bit bigger, like this. Okay, I think that's fine. A little bit bigger. So we'll see. We got this Sibi to the tick, basically. To the tick. This precision. So nice. I'm gonna now this could also be a consolidation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. All this is the distribution, and then I would short from here. That's advanced ICT concepts. What's the Bitcoin doing? I haven't looked. What? It had this big drop at Friday. Big drop. How much? Like 4%. Guys, look at XRP. Look at XRP. Look at this. Big. Look at this, bro. One day, on a high, it was like 100% huge because the XRP won the HESAC trial, and the price just skyrocketed. Yeah, we'll see. Just going up. Maybe. Yeah, I can show spreads, of course. One sec, let me just. I have to type something. Yeah, I can show. One sec, I just have to do something. Spreads. So, what do you want? What do you want? For what pair? For SPX, Nasdaq, EU. Let me know. Let me know. So, yeah. Let me know, and I will put the spreads up. I can put them on screen if you want, but you need to tell me for which pair exactly, like EU, AU, whatever. Just I will show you in my MetaTrader. What spreads do I have for the bespoke funding program? So. Okay, so yeah, I will just screenshot. There's nothing really going on that. So symbol, hide all, and then I'm gonna add a NDX 100, which is Nasdaq, and then US 30, and then. So what is this? US 30, SPX, and Nasdaq, EU. What else? Gold, XAU, USD. I can show you, wait, and then at GBP USD as well. And then image, you got the spreads on left corner, guys, and bottom left corner you got the spreads right now. So AU is basically AU, the spread. So for AU, so for gold, the spread is like 10 points, 0.1 point. For US 30, I don't wait for US 30. I don't I can't really see it too much, but for the SPX it's 0.5 points. For Nasdaq is 1.5 points. For GBP USD is basically 0.1 pips. For EU there's basically no spread. That's amazing. For EU there's basically no spread. Wherever you put your go in, wherever you click the button, you get in. For EU, for GBP as well, and then AU got a 0.3 pip spread. So basically there's no spread in EU. For that's holy. I never trade EU, so I'm kind of excited for this, to be honest. So Dogcat, is this okay? Can you see it? That's kind of good idea. Wait, I might add another text, which is text, and then spreads. Okay. Create new one. So text is gonna be, wait, no, I'm gonna copy this one. Yes. And then give a, is this okay? Yep, good spreads. Yeah, I know. Spreads are really good. That's why I chose them as well. I mean, maybe I'll find a better prop firm in the future, but till now, I really like enjoy the experience. Oops, I didn't meant to do that. One, we copy this, we paste it, and now we have to rename it to 2, and then we add spreads. Oh, I didn't meant to do that. Okay. And then rename it spreads. What is it? Sorry guys, I really didn't mean to do that. Okay, sorry. It's kind of annoying, I know, but so text 2. Okay, we're gonna do spreads black. Okay, and now lower opacity is good. The size, oh my god. So, okay, now we adjust the size. Spreads like this. Is this good? Is this good, guys? Let me know how it looks. Let me know how it, let me know. I know. Set up the window. Yeah, okay. There's no good price action right now. So kinda not satisfied with it, but will do. Doga Cat on Market Watch. Right click and select columns and click on spreads. Maybe I can do it that way. I will remove this, which is remove and then to hide. Oh yeah, that's good. I figured it out. So I'm gonna turn off the daily range, and that's it. Wait, I should turn the. Can I turn the bid ask off? Can I turn this off? The bid ask. Okay, so I downloaded the spreads right now. Image. Okay, browse. Which one is the right one? This one. Are you seeing the spreads right now? Is it good? This should be okay. I think that's good. You can guys see that clear, right? So EU, there's basically fluctuation between 0.1 pip and 0. GBP same. AUD 2. This is 0.1 pips. This is not 1 pip. Basically EU is 0.1 pips. GBP USD same. AUD USD 0.2 pips. AUD USD 0.1 points. SPX 0.5 points. And at Nasdaq is 1.4 points, and then US 30 or Dow is spread is 1.6 points. So yeah, Dow got a really good spreads compared with Nasdaq and compared with its volatility, right? But I hate this Nasdaq price action, man. What is this? Tell me what is this? Tell me what is this? Nothing. Exactly. Yeah. I mean, the long would kind of play out. No, we entered here. Yeah, the long would play out in 1.5%, but not looking for those setups. So this is now cancel. Cancel. There's really there's barely any spread with EU and GU. Just kind of good, to be honest. Like really good. Maybe we won't get any trade, but there's no need to force trades every single day, you know? I mean, did we have a Judah swing after 8:30? We kinda did on SPX. Right here. We could go long, but I don't know. Maybe we'll take this trade. Maybe I could if I mean, it was a nice trade. It would play out 1% profit, but I mean, I may risk, like, guys, be honest, is 1% risk too much? I don't really know, but I want to focus on 0.5%. GBP USD GPY, I mean. Maybe the next price action is reaching for a fair value gap left on Friday. Which one? Maybe. Could be. I'm not sure. I'm looking for shorts. That's why I'm not entering any longs right here. This could be a long. This could be a long. We could enter long again. Stop loss below here. Take profit at this high or at a fair value gap, which would be right here. But I'm not looking for longs. Even though our bias is bullish, I would prefer shorts. Because we already took the high on SPX. That's why we already came into this big order block. On a 1 hour, it's even better. This order block, tapped into it, rejected. Even though we have a high here, that doesn't really mean anything. We could go higher, of course, but shorts are looking juicy. What's the EU doing? Just reread those spreads. They are really low. Who is that with? Bespoke funding. By the way, if you guys are interested in the bespoke funding program, like, I can give you a affiliate link, and then maybe, like, I can earn some commission. I believe it's like 8%. Like, if you guys are interested, I can make an affiliate program with them to give me an affiliate link or code. But generally, I really like the prop firm, to be honest. Like, generally, I'm not saying like it's the best, but I really like it, especially the spreads, man. Like, there's barely any spread on EU. A fluctuation between 0.1 and 0 pips. Stephen. Nasdaq. Ooh, displacement, baby. Displacement. That's probably the displacement we should be anticipating, but not yet. Not completely yet. Because we gotta lower my. Okay. Set this up. Cool. Bespoke funding program. Yeah, I mean, it's on the top of the screen. Bespoke funding program. You got the link in the description if you want. And there's my dashboard on the bottom right as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, guys, till now. I hope you guys enjoy it, because I really like trading in front of you and sharing my journey. Wait, I can also do that, maybe. So, if I go on there, no. We gotta shift in the market structure right now. Market structure shift. New wait. So okay, cool. Alex, I'd suggest you do try the New York lunchtime strategy. Can you explain? I don't fully understand what you mean, New York lunch strategy. What do you mean? AHAN, DXY is going down? Yeah. Brian, it's awesome. Yeah, I mean, we could look for shorts if we break lower. I want to see us break lower. Baby. Yo, Alex, lunch. Can you explain a little bit more, please, about the lunch strategy you're mentioning? Maybe I can check that out, and we'll see. So, do this. So we gotta go image. So okay. Maybe I can do this. Yeah, that looks nice. Perfect. I liked it. Oopsie doopsie. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, nice. I like this. Okay, high and low, break slow, go long, break high, go short, target opposite. David, what's up, David? Welcome everybody. Welcome, David. How are you? What's up? Alex, target opposite. Yeah, but are you sure? In my condition, I would look for shorts, for longs, and lunch lows being taken because I'm bullish. And if I'm bullish, I want to see lunch lows being taken. So and so I can go higher. Yeah, so this is basically the new structure. We have a little bit of time left, so it's totally fine. We have a little bit of time. Yeah, maybe Alex, I can try that because the AM session was just chop, right? Good thing we avoided it. Good thing we did. Dropping down. Yeah, maybe this could be a sell right here. We got a nice sell side liquidity right here. We got this busy. We got the sell side liquidity. Yeah, it works. Yeah, it does, Alex. You're right. You are totally right. So we got this order block where we reacted from. We also had this fair value gap. Half profit. Oh, the 50%. Yeah, of course. Or not, or just not to take the trade. You know, you can stay consistent with your own rules. Depends on the person itself. Pushing down. That's nice. That's what I want to see. Good job. Yeah, maybe I'll try it, Alex, but not on stream. Because, like, I have more things to do than stream only the whole day. I could do it, but I don't know. Alright. If it passed the 5K challenge with it, you did. Good job, man. You were funded. I hope I can get funded as well. I mean, I'm gonna do it live stream every single time. So, Alex, you're talking about the lunch lows and highs being taken without the daily bias works? Did you use the daily bias, or did you do it without the daily bias? Let me know. I mean, you passed the challenge, so it works, but I trust in the silver bullet as well. Just not forming every single session. Maybe I'll trade a PM as well. Did you use the daily bias with it? Endless Time by Carl Casey. Yeah, I don't know, because I can get copyrighted pretty quickly. Is it like copyright free? David, is it copyright free or not? Like I will listen at it, but I don't know if it will copyright my stream. Mainly I don't want to do that, to be honest. Oh, wait, I'll see. Zekra, look at 5M FVG. Which one? This one? Too high. Yeah, maybe it's inside. Let me know if you think this one. Yes or no in chat. I know the context. What do you mean, Alex? You don't use stop loss, bro? It's kind of big balls plays right here. Holy. Okay, wait, David. I'll look at your recommendation. Endless Time by Carl Casey. I'll listen it right now. Endless Night or Endless Time? I don't. Oh, wait. Is it Endless Night? Wait, David. Is it Endless Time? Let me know if it's Endless Time, because I see eternal night and endless night, but I don't see endless time. Night, okay. Yeah, I'll try it. I mean, whatever. If it gets copyrighted, it gets copyrighted, but the thing is, like, if you listen, people can copyright strike you, and then they can, if you get a lot of those copyright strikes, you can basically they can close your YouTube account, right? Because of copyright strikes. But I don't really wanna, like, it's a good song. I listen to it right now, but I mean, I hope you're not offended if I don't do it, because I mean, I'll try it maybe, but I'll see if it's kind of I'll see if it could be a problem, and then maybe on the next stream. Okay, David? That's what I'm gonna do. So okay, David, it's fine. It's totally fine. David, Alex, I have traded against daily buys and it still work, but I would not advise it. Yeah, same right here. I don't really see a setup, to be honest. I just don't. Or have a breaker. Could be buying inside a breaker, fair value gap, stop loss, target 1 to basically 0.2. This is nice. Sell side liquidity, we're bullish. We have a draw, buy side as well. But we have this fair value gap. I would just wait for my setup. 5 minute, nothing really anything going on. So on Nasdaq also could be a liquidity sweep. We got 1 to 3 lows. I wouldn't. Yeah, that was a breaker that I drawn on Nasdaq 1 minute time frame. That was a breaker indeed. This is a breaker right here. I think it's like more visible on the 2 minute or 3 minute. So yeah, we could go long inside this fair value gap, but I'm still maybe looking for this sell side. Yeah, displacement. Where's the midnight opening price? It's down there. Okay, it's gonna be hard. 5 minute. I'll be right back, guys. I just hope need to get to the toilet. 1 sec. back. I am back. We'll see. Yeah, we got a 950 to 1010 macro, but we still have those equal lows to break. Sell side liquidity. Guys, remember when I told you, when we were looking at SPX, and I told you, maybe some of you that were at the start of the stream, I told you, listen to this, we are bullish, we swept sell side liquidity, and I told you that we're gonna go above those highs. I told you we're gonna see those highs act as support, and what did it do? It acts as support, just like I told you. See, those concepts actually work. This level was aligning with this fair value gap, which I could see before, but it was a level of support, actual institutional level of support, not support and resistance, but support, you know. And I told you, and we skyrocketed. So what I want to see is basically a short on SPX. We are in premium, and we could see a move lower to 12, but I'm gonna end the stream at 11 because I have some things to do. Maybe we'll do a quick stream on the PM. If I take a trade, I'm gonna pop the stream just so you can see my trade live. But I'll see you tomorrow anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna stream. Probably gonna try to stream every single day from now on. Every day. My hot 950 to 1110 macro is doing its thing. Yeah, totally doing its thing. I agree. This could be some macro. Well, macro is basically a specific time window where algorithm starts repricing to a level or pool of liquidity or an imbalance findings. Yeah, I mean, as you can see, we did a good job because this session was a choppy silver bullet session. We did a good job staying out. We probably saved ourselves from losing trades. I mean, we missed one long right here. This could be a potential long if I reacted quickly, if I entered before. We could write a nice 1% profit for today, but then we did a silver bullet. As you can see, ES, S&P. This is basically a silver bullet session on S&P. Looks choppy, huh? This consolidation is the silver bullet session. That's why I mean, it's good to stay out, not trade every single session. So now that AM session is consolidating, we may see a liquidity sweep and then reversal on the PM session. So I will most likely trade a PM session, guys. Let me know if you want me to do the stream. I will close the stream now, but let me know if you want me to do a PM session stream. Let me know. If you want me to do a PM session stream, let me know. I'll be happy to do it. Because if you guys want to see how I trade the PM, like my intention is not really to trade a PM. It's like just to trade with myself. But if you guys want to see a PM session stream, let me know. Let me know in the comment section, of course, because yeah, do it. Fendings, thank you. Like if more of you guys say like you want to stream, I'll probably do it. Thank you for the session. PM session would be awesome. No problem, Silva. Like, I'm sorry guys, we didn't take any trades. Like, you can see this job. This is the silver bullet window. Not really ideal, but yeah, the PM session will be much better. So I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna end the stream, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Steven, yeah, please, yeah, I'll maybe stream it because of a lot of you guys want to stream PM. Yeah, I hope so in the PM. In the PM, I hope so. But I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. It was a chill stream. Some analysis, daily bias. We went for daily bias. In the PM session, if I do stream, we could do some liquidity teachings and stuff. Or I make a video that I'll see. But I really like those streams. So I hope you enjoyed the stream. Don't trade it in the lunch hour because it's just gonna be more choppy. Or not, but I expect choppiness until the PM session or the PM silver bullet. So see you next time, and good luck.